Hi everyone, welcome back to DYOR. Today we will show you how to replace the front and back cameras on the Samsung Galaxy A14 5G mobile phone. To start, we need the right tools to proceed with the repair, which you can find in the description. First, turn off the phone and remove the SIM tray, and then proceed with the back cover removal. To remove the back cover, create a gap near the SIM slot or charging port using a picker or car pry tool. Insert the tool and gently slide it around the phone to release the plastic clip securing the frame. Be careful when pulling out the back cover, as the fingerprint sensor is attached to the back cover. Take out the back cover and then remove the logic board cover by undoing 9 screws. Once all screws are removed, use a pry tool to lift the cover. Next, disconnect the battery connector. And then disconnect the fingerprint connector. Now the back cover can be fully separated from the phone's body. Next, take out the not working front camera from the logic board. The camera location is the top center. Next, disconnect and remove the not working macro and depth cameras from the board. To pull out the white camera, the logic board must either be taken out or flipped to access the connector. First, disconnect two LCD plugs from the logic board. Next, gently flip the logic board using a tweezer. Next, disconnect and pull out the not working white camera from the body. Next, place and secure the new white camera into the board. Next, secure the logic board in the body, and then connect both LCD plugs to the board. Next, place and secure the new macro and depth cameras to the board. Next, Secure the new front camera on the board. Next, connect the fingerprint plug and then connect the battery plug. Next, secure the logic board cover by adding 9 screws. Next, before closing the device, turn on the device for testing. Finally, press the back cover firmly into the place and slide along the edges to secure the clips. Also, insert the SIM tray. Hope you have enjoyed the replacement guide. Let us know if you have any questions. Please like, share and comment on our videos. Hit the subscribe button for more videos.